Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to enable Dolby Atmos on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Let's get started. Firstly, we would need to open settings on our phone and then scroll down until you will see this tab Sounds and Vibrations. Click on it and scroll down also until you will see this tab Sound Quality and Effects. Go there and here is it. You can see two Dolby Atmos right here, Classic and for gaming. Let's enable the first one and choose the mode for it. If we will click on the name of Dolby Atmos, you can see four options. Auto, which optimizes sound automatically for wherever you are listening to, movie, music, and voice. You can read description of either of these to choose which one is the perfect one for you. And then if we will go back, you can also notice this Dolby Atmos for gaming, which gets realistic Dolby Atmos sound automatically when you play games. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.